How to open GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will learn how we can open GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up github.com and make sure to log in into your account. After that, you have to open one of your projects that you want to run in Visual Studio Code. For example, I have one project right here. So once you are here, click on this code drop down from this interface. Here you have to click on download the zip. Now once the zip file is downloaded, you have to extract the zip file. So from here you have to go to the file location. Under this, you have to click on the file, then you have to click on extract all, and here select your destination and then click on extract. Once the extract is complete, now you have to open up a Visual Studio. Open up Visual Studio, click on the file at the top right corner, and here now you have to click on open folder. And here you have to open the folder that you have extracted recently. So head over to the location where you have saved your folder, click on it, and here you have to open this folder and then click on select folder. Now you have opened your GitHub project in the Visual Studio. Now from here you can run your code. So open up your code and then you can run your code in the Visual Studio. So that's how you can open up GitHub project in the Visual Studio Code, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.